then cordial goodbyes. That's where it's all began, where it all began. I made my way to the door, grabbed my coat just before I saw you there. Saw you standing there. I made my way across the room, on the hunt just to find you. For a second glance, just a second chance, I see a dark silhouette, a slim figurehead. I said it has to be, but I have to see. I walk through the doorway, don't know what to say. I just turn and look at you. I've had my eyes on you, baby, so I was thinking that maybe you were thinking the same thing. Just roll with me and we can spend the night while we're out together. We're just living life as strangers, perfect strangers. So we hopped in a cab, left the party just like that, her hand in mine, and I didn't mind. As we sped down the road, the flashing lights made a good show. We had front row seats to a backseat dream, just a beautiful night. But then the sun starts its rise, so now we go our ways, our separate ways. I open the door, but my heart feels unsure. Do I go ahead, or do I stay instead? So I turned around to stop her, said please stay, I want you, just don't go out that door. Then I paid the driver and said take us wherever, just take us wherever. Or she can roll with me and we can spend the night while we're out together. We're just living life, we don't know each other, but hey, that's alright. We're just one more moment, just one more night. Will you roll with me and we can spend the night while we're out together. We're just living life, we don't know each other, but hey, that's alright. Just one more moment and just one more night, just one more moment, just one more night.